It's a new day. I've just been to the gym and we had horrible weather here today. We had a storm last night, and I've seen on the security camera that things have happened at the house. I think we need to do a bit of a cleanup. I'm not sure we are even going to do any work today because it's really horrible weather outside, so we'll see what happens. This might be a very short vlog, or I might even leave this out or put it into tomorrow's episode. We'll see. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so here we are. All of this is moved. Buckets all over the place, gloves. We've lost the drain pipe. Yeah. All of these bags were not here. Not too bad. It's not too bad in here. It's not too bad. All right, let's get back to work. So the new size in wood that we ordered caused ripple effects on our measurements, which means we're gonna have to raise the platform. So we're gonna do 4 new legs, raise this 1 step, and we should be good to go, unfortunately. Anna is doing the last bits of the walls. I'm gonna do some measurements for the doorstep, and for some reason the doorsteps in Italy, or the doors in Italy, open inwards, which means the doorsteps are higher on the outside than the inside, so when it rains the water goes inwards, and they usually don't even use doorsteps, but we are. So we're gonna do a slight doorstep here and then put the door on top of that, so that we have a small ledge for the water not to enter the kitchen. Right? Yeah. Okay, so I thought this door was open because I found some things down here, but apparently this one is open. Can't wait to get the new windows in because these ones are horrible. So we are actually not going to do any more work today. Really cold, windy, and we are missing the 4 legs for the platform for the stairs. So we are going to go cook some food and relax.